Hello, in this video I will show you how to set search engine into a custom one on Nokia XR21. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to the search engine website that you want to use. For example, I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using this search engine. And now if you go to settings and click search engine, here in recently visited you should have your search engine that you just used. And now you can go back, and as you can see, my search engine is now set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.